Oh, I haven't done one of these forever. Oh my god, look at my face. I gotta see if it's recording. It is recording. All right, y'all. So, welcome. 2016 Hyundai Sonata Sport. Oh my god, this. Anyway, so I was hooking up my amp, my sub, and everything, and bro, let me tell you how difficult it actually was because I was looking at videos online and nobody actually has anything with like super good details. So you gotta like kind of pick and choose between two videos that are out there right now. And honestly, I got some good information from two of them. So I just kind of like started to wing it and use what they used. So let me just show you what I got. So I got the power wire. There we go. Power wire and the I need to move that fuse honestly. Got everything still through there. Now for that gasket right there, I pulled that out. You can easily pull that one out and then use let me just show you. Use this tool. Look at me. Use this tool. Now what this is the grommet tool. What the fuck is this shit called? Hold on. Here it is. The wire insertion tool. Now, the little red thing is just a little protected. What else is in? Oh yeah, and then these are, Jesus Christ, these are Positaps. Now, Positaps is from that other guy's video that I was watching, and yeah, that's loud. And you know they honestly work very, very well. Now, I got the. Don't mind that because you got to take the little cover off to get the wire down. And I got it going along here. All the way down. Oh shit, sorry. All the way down, up, under, behind this. You got to take all this out, pull the seats down. And I have my amp mounted. Everything's good. I just need to tighten that down more. Now, I do have it set up all pretty ghetto. I don't have all these fancy tools and everything, but it's working. Yeah, we're not going to worry about all this. But I do have it grounded back down here. And, oh my God. And from it being grounded from back there, I got some, what even is that? The RCAs, obviously, still right there. The remote turn on wire, same thing, ran through the bottom under this little flap under the seat. It's kind of a better view of what I'm actually looking for because this is the bolt. This is the bolt for this little side piece that I was just showing you on that side. So you take that piece out, lift it up, pulls out. Then you can pull the seat all the way down and access all of this area. Now, down here is from where I was trying to figure out the goddamn speaker wire from other videos. This is not where it is. Don't pay attention to this. Don't even do it from there. So, from the other video and a lot of other videos, you take off the B-pillar little panel right here. Take the B-pillar panel off. There's no screws. You just pop it out. Pop all the little seals and strippings and all this other crap out. Pop all that out. And from there, it's all popped. I need to cover up this too. So from this wire, this is the one, I'll show you from right here. I'm doing it upside down. So you'll see where the seatbelt mechanism is, that yellow wire. This is the side you want to be on. Now, along this long wire right here, cut it open, slice it open as carefully as possible. Obviously cut away from the wires. You'll sift through all of this stuff in the middle and you'll find the black and white wire. Move. I'm trying to show somebody. You sift through all those wires, show the black and white wires right there in the middle of all of this. Pull those forward. Make sure you strip back enough tape. Why am I talking like that? Strip back enough tape so you can actually access it and bring it forward. And here's where the Positaps come in handy. The Positap, the gray side, put it over the wire, and then you just twist the whole red thing together. Now to get the wires on the inside, just put the two positives together and the two negatives together, as you can see right there. put them inside this little part right here, and then screw it on. So you do that first. So when you come to the actual wire, speaker wire itself, positive, white, put the Positap on the bottom side, screw it all together. Boom, tapped in. Same thing with the negative on the black. Boom, you tapped in, just like that, off the B pillar. Now, with the remote turn-on wire, I went and got my little Amazon stuff. By the way, all this stuff is on Amazon. The Positaps, the remote turn-on wire, the fuse tap, all everything. Fuse tap and everything. So from another video I looked at, he showed where to tap into. Now, he went all the way to the power outlet right here. So that's what mine is. Got it right there. Just ran it through the back of it, up to this pedal or part right here, so I can, you know, tuck it all in. But yeah, that's how you do it, man. This is my very first time ever doing this, man, and I struggled because, like I said, I did not know what I was doing. For one, so I just learned something. But for two, there's not very specific instructions. I was looking through comment sections and forums and all this other stuff, but dude, there's a lot of people with a lot of questions and nobody's answering, or they're posting stuff that just isn't really vehicle specific. It's just like vague information, and it doesn't really work. So hopefully this can help somebody out. If you have a 2016 model, I know there's somebody looking for answers for a 2018 model, but according to him, what the fuck, you stuck on this daggone thing? According to him, his comment, nobody has a 2018. So if you come across this video and you have one, or curious, just come to the B pillar, take the B pillar out, and can I zoom out? I'm already zoomed out. Wow. Take the B pillar out, the black piece. Don't worry about none of this stuff. Don't worry about here. Just look at this wire. Strip this back. Bring the black and white twisted wires to the front. Yes, black and white twisted wires. They're literally twisted together. The white wire looks a little yellow, depending on how old the car is, how old the tape is. But the black and white ones twisted together. Don't forget that. Don't be nervous. White is positive. Black is negative. LOC. And dude, yeah, that's it, man. That's it. Like I said, 2016 Hyundai Sonata Sport, and this took me way longer than I'm proud to say, but I got it done. So I'm excited. But I'm about to play some music right now. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.